Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about custom borders. So in the last video, we actually built out this border, this custom border, or we added the border modifier. And this was nice, but let's say if you want to basically create your border as a rounded corner border, for example, right, for the text field, then instead of using border, what we can do is we can use an overlay modifier as well. And overlay modifier will give us an opportunity to add custom shapes. Even the shapes that we create by extending shape protocol, we can actually use that. So let's go ahead and try that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this example and paste it here in market example 7. Go at the top and set this to example 7. Go at the bottom, and that should actually eliminate this error. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm gonna actually resume our preview, and I'm gonna stop the play mode so we can actually see the actual preview without it running. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave the padding. Okay, and instead of having a border modifier, we're gonna add overlay. Okay, and overlay takes shape styles, and we can actually create our own shapes or use one of the built-in ones. So I'm going to use one of the built-in one, which is rounded rectangle. Okay, and we're gonna define the corner radius for this one as 20 points. Okay, so as you can see, as soon as you define that, our entire text, basically text view is covered with the black fill. The reason is whenever you create a shape, a fill comes by default. But if you're only interested in basically just the outline, or otherwise known as stroke for the shape, you can simply say that by using this stroke modifier. Okay, so you can say I just want the stroke, and as you can see now our rounded border, black color border, is showing up, and that black is the default color that actually comes, but you can actually make it any other color as you want. So I'm going to turn it back into an orange color. Okay, and that'll give us an orange border text field. Okay, now this can be basically, you can have this as a capsule. Let's say if you want to have a capsule, you can actually make it a capsule. Sometime I've seen text field looking like this too, so I was like, this is perfect. But yeah, I mean, you can actually create your own shape and use that basically instead of using the built-in shapes. So that's another flexibility that you have for creating the border. So I'm gonna actually just copy and paste for the rest of the text fields, and I'm gonna actually change the colors to distinguish different shapes. So I'm gonna make this one a rounded rectangle with corner radius to be 10, just to make it look a little bit different. And the let's see, what can we use this one? Maybe a rectangle is fine, and we can use rectangle as well. So I'm going to use rectangle. So there we go. Now we have 3 different variations that we are using right here, and we are creating 3 different custom types of borders for your text field. Okay, all right, with that we have reached the end of this video, and yeah, so this is it for this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Thanks again for watching.